Yeah. My computer couldn't handle the missiles, apparently. Am I back? I don't I don't know if this is considered a new session for YouTube. I don't know if all videos still there, or old if you have to change the video or not. I'm not really sure. Yikes. Too many missiles. Computer was struggling. Ah, yes. I do need to go to the new one, I think. Yeah, it's starting a new one. Oh, that's unfortunate. I think a lot of YouTube people might be confused here. Let me see if I can send a chat. You know, this is one thing I really don't like about YouTube Live is that once you crash and you restart, all the people that were on the other video needs to be transferred over. Oh shoot, sorry. Okay, let me I guess I'll make some announcement here real quick. Jeez. I mean, I guess this is about time. Is that a sign or not? No, we still have people in here. All right, let me make sure everybody's spawning in. There it is. Everybody's berries coming in live. Hello, K-Mac back. Welcome. I just crashed, so I'm trying to recover here. Oops. Just crashed. If you are watching from YouTube, you have to switch over to the new live, which is... Oop. All right. Hopefully it'll do. Okay. Everybody's in the party now. We were trying to debug why the missile was not registering sometimes. And I had a theory. I think I had a theory of some of the missile movement await command wasn't triggering beforehand. Like the animation already finished by the time it went through. So it was getting stuck on await over here. So what we need to do instead, we're probably going to do some check here, is running. If it is running, then we await. Otherwise, we keep going. Hey, Celine. Aw, Celine says, Ezra, see ya, I gotta sleep, lol. It was nice watching stream. Well, thanks for being here. I'll see you later, Celine. Bye-bye. Have a good night. Okay. I mean, it's about time anyways. We'll confirm a few things. We'll finish up some minor things and probably call it. Whoa. Kind of weird. There you go. Ooh, I can't. What's happening with this one? Don't save. There you go. Weird. Yeah, that crash was kind of crazy. I don't know what that was about. But anyways, all right, now we're gonna turn off weapon, turn on shield, and we'll shield the shield. Ba, ba, ba. And then we're gonna move over here. Okay. Wow, it just got shielded. Beautiful. We'll do shield over here, and then we'll do shield over there, shield over here. Sorry, Apollo, if you lost your berry because of this. Ugh. Ad's gonna start because Twitch thinks that I just restarted the stream, so ad's gonna start now. Sorry, guys. Okay. Hey, that worked. Interesting. Okay, I think it's working now. Pretty consistent now. All right, let's see if things get destroyed here. Another shield. Wow, I got really lucky. Futile Diploma says, are you building your own engine? I am not. This is Godot. I am working with Godot. Maybe... Wow, I'm so lucky. 3 out of 3. It's keep hitting the ones that are shielded. Okay, now I'm going to see if it gets destroyed properly. The weapon gets the damage. Moving on. Oh, here comes the ad. See you a little bit. Okay, YouTube, UNI. We are special because Twitch is experiencing ad. We are not. I guess I could just turn on the ad though. Anyways. All right, weapon. Oh, it resisted. I got lucky there. 7% chance to resist destruction, and it just did. Okay, next up, navigation will get damaged. It's actually pretty easy to outlast. I do wonder if it needs to be bigger. With all this pieces and state, oh, I guess it's okay because you can't recover any of this. Okay. I don't know if it got destroyed. Just waiting. Waiting. All right. Weapon. Okay. I think it's going to get destroyed this time. Yes. Okay. You see how the weapon system is now down? I can't do anything with it because it's down. That's working fine. I mean, I can still shield it, but it doesn't really make... I guess that's okay. Power off. Cool. All right. So there are a bunch of missiles that are flying. Crewmates are healthy. I mean, it's pretty easy to manage. Right now, this is neutralize all hostile ship is the goal. And let's see. What else can I do? I can... Ooh. A bug. I tried to move and then... It was like... Cursor... is null. Interesting. Okay. Wow. All right. Cursor is null because that's kind of funny. So the way I'm doing this cursor indicator on the map over here, when I go, when I try to move and then these like this red cursor, that's a piece. That's also a piece that's on the map and that goes invisible. So I think when the missile or the ship goes over it, sometimes the cursor gets killed. And so when it's trying to use it again, it's like, oh, I can't use that because it's dead. So I think what I'm going to do here, this is, I think it should be a grid overlay. Well, maybe not. We should probably avoid the damage on the cursor. So over here, we'll say remove piece on position change when we're applying damage, the damage target. We want to make sure, let's see, cover pieces, damage target pieces. If the combat piece is a self or the FTL point, don't include it, or combat piece is grid cursor. I don't know how I'm gonna indicate this actually. Grid overlay, I guess, because we don't want to attack grid overlay. That makes no sense. So we'll do that. Over here, say, hey, if it is grid overlay, yeah, don't mess with that. Sick. All right, I'm gonna try to actually. All right. Well, when I go into the asteroid, right now, moving into the asteroid guarantees a damage. That's not fun. But we're also destroying one asteroid as we move into it. I think that's probably not what we want to do. So, few things. One, if the ship is moving into the asteroid, don't destroy it. Right? Yeah. Or I think there should be a chance. I think when you're moving into the asteroid, there is a chance to take damage. If you do take damage, then reduce the health of the asteroid. Yes, I think that's what that should be. So it's not a guaranteed damage. It's a maybe. Right? So you're risking a maybe to gain cover. I don't know if ever anybody would ever go into the asteroid if that's the case. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe there's a reason for it. So we're gonna say on grid handler, when the piece changes, we move the piece, we await in its movement. If it collides, if it's a missile, we do the impact. Otherwise, we try to come up with the damage target here. And we say, look, if the target is cover, well, moving into, hold on. I guess this is where we need to do that, huh? Ugh, headache. First of all, if well, because the rest here is all about inflicting damage, right? So I think we can skip this. If peace is ship combat. Wait, is there no type for ship combat piece? Let me look at the ship piece. Ship piece here. There's just a combat piece. I suppose I could create a new script called ship piece, which extends combat piece class name ship piece, like so. There's all this stuff already. Starting health 3, default speed 1. For this particular one, shield animation will be this. Okay. And it's not passable, meaning you can't occupy the same space as other ships. So over here, grid handler, if the piece is ship piece, the one that's moving, Moving into things. Trying to see if I should make a special case just for the asteroid field or not. So I'm moving in as a ship piece. We're gonna do... You know what? I'm gonna do it this way, actually. So we go through, damage target, damage target. If it is player, we're gonna player... What target is player? If the target is not a player, that's another thing. I think over here, if damage target is in group... Oh, the asteroid doesn't have its own thing. Yeah, asteroid piece, okay. So if damage target is asteroid piece and the moving target is, or moving piece is the ship, then ships moving into asteroid field have a chance of impact. And we'll say bar is hit will be random F is less than equal to bar asteroid avoid chance, not avoid, but asteroid hit chance. And we say that's like 10%. No, well, near movement, let's say 50% chance to get hit by the asteroid. We'll do 40. Is hit by asteroid, right? If it's not hit by an asteroid, we don't do anything, meaning pieces move, but you don't take damage, right? Da-da-da-da, collision, remove piece from, like, all of this doesn't matter. Otherwise, the piece takes damage, I think. The way we do this is take damage, and then we do impact damage, which is 1 here. Piece takes 1 damage. If it is any other ship, if it is a player ship, so if it's like so, takes a damage. And if this is actually a player ship, then we're going to provide damage to the player ship. There you go. So moving into the asteroid has chance of causing ship damage if it is a ship. I think that should work. So if I have this, I'm going to move into the asteroid. That was free move. But sometimes... I don't know how to test this. It has 40% chance of hitting. And 2 times I moved into the asteroid, it didn't hit me. So I'm going to look at the logic here. 252. I'm checking the time here. See where I'm at. You're trying to climb the platform. Hey, Covino's up here. Oh, I guess you just spawned in there. Covino would be lurking out here. Let's see. Breakpoint. The expected breakpoint is... Man, this logic is getting huge. Not particularly the most elegant way of implementing this, but if it works and there's no bug, then that's the most elegant, right? Right, guys? Yes, right. All right, if it's asteroid piece and the piece is ship piece, this is where we are at. Let's see. And turn. We're gonna try to move into the asteroid again. Oh, it didn't trigger. It didn't trigger here. Wait, what? Hello? It's empty. There's nothing empty. It's all empty. It's all empty. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. And turn, resume. Move in. Okay. Damage target. Damage target pieces have nothing in them. Wait, it is empty. Okay. Cover piece, there's one, which is asteroid. Oh, Kinexus. Luckily for you, Void, Kinexus wants us to do squats. All right, everyone. Once again, we know the rule. If I squat, you all squat. It's 12 squats out here. We're gonna get some squatting going. Oh, I'm so sore. Ugh. Oof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that was hard. I haven't had a leg day in a while. So Monday, which is 2 days ago, I had my first leg day in like weeks actually, and we went pretty hard. So my glutes and quads are burning. It's in pain. Definitely in pain. Kinexus says, I'm down. I'm at my stand-up desk in the office, lol. Now you're just suddenly doing squats in the middle of work. Yeah, that's right. Kinexus says, I mostly kept up. I did a 4-mile hike yesterday with like 2,000 feet elevation gain. And my legs are dead. Nice. You know what they say? If you're sore, what loosens it up is more exercise. Well, at least that's what my trainer likes to say. But alas. All right, cover piece is there. Cover piece is the damage target. It's an asteroid piece. And piece that's moving is a ship piece, so it should come under here. It did. Asteroid hit chance, 0.4. Is it hit? It is a hit. You come over here, is the damage target in a play? Oh, that's what's happening. There you go. Fixed. Good old, you know, debugger, stepwise debugging is the GOAT, honestly. Resume. Did I take a damage? No. Oh, I didn't take damage. Somehow... Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to come back in here. I'm avoiding the damage quite a bit, somehow. Move. Alright. Okay. I guess I'm just lucky. False. True. Okay. Whew. Boom. Yeah, my weapon got damaged. All right. Question here. Should the target of damage change every time you get hit, or only change at the end of the turn? I think we already asked this question. I think it should only change at the end of the turn. Unless it's destroyed. Okay. Maybe it needs to be like 50%. 40% seems a little bit too low. Alright, got hit. Oh! My power got destroyed. I mean, they definitely need... I think we definitely need like a explosion animation over here. But basically, power is down. We can't do anything. We're just kind of like locked in here. Very bad. All right, sick. So we can run into asteroids. Asteroids provide cover. 50% chance of asteroid causing damage. So there's a risk of going in there, but once you're in there, you have protection. All right, next. Naturally, I want to balance the game here real quick. Because right now, there being 4 lanes makes it a little bit easy to avoid damage, right? Yeah. Also, we gotta make it so that... Well, this also doesn't work, I think. Yeah, it just disappears and doesn't cause damage. So I think we also need to do the running into the asteroid or running into the rocket logic real quick. Oh, it's almost coming together, but it's just like just enough just enough lack to be not playable. It's like it's almost playable, almost fun state. All right. Over here, if the piece is a player and then damage target is asteroid, we do this. If... Oh man, this is so bad. All right, hold on. If damage target is missile piece. Hey, look, like, I mean, it seems like I'm just... We're if-else bossing over here. It's conditional steaming all the way down. Don't judge me. Alright. Ship moving into missiles take damage. Or will take damage. So first of all, we're going to play on impact. I mean, I feel like there needs to be a separate function that does the apply damage with the missile thing to make it easier, but alas, here's what we got. Ship piece, same thing. We'll take damage here equal to missile pieces. What is it? What are we calling it? Impact damage is, oh, dot damage. Yeah. So that'll be 1 damage. All right. It should work. Yeah, handle. So if it'll handle the shielded state and all that. Cool. So let's see. All right. So first thing first, if I turn off, turn on shield, and then if I shield this, we're gonna end turn here. First of all, oh, we should probably turn off weapons. Weapons, turn on navigation so we can move around. And we'll shield another one. Okay, now navigation. We're gonna move over here, and then we're gonna shield navigation, and we will move into the missile. It worked. Missile didn't blow up, or was it behind? Maybe that's why. All right. Pretty cool. Okay, that's already shielded. So we're going to move into the asteroid here. Okay, shield protected the electrical. We'll shield this again and then move up. Oh, okay. Shield it again. Oh, I took the damage. Dang it. It's hard to tell. Okay, so definitely need to see... We need to flash the piece that is being targeted. So, because right now it's still hard to see if I'm taking the damage or if the ship is taking the damage. Or if the other things are getting damaged. So we'll see. Right now, we can move into the other planes. That needs to be prevented. All right, that's the... I think that's the last thing we're going to do here. So when the battle grid shows... I think grid handler, right? Overlay. So is position allowed is being checked. This overlay is determining that. I think show overlay, show range overlay. That gets triggered. We're placing the range overlay here. We're placing the overlay in that specific position. I think when we're placing it, yeah, when we're placing the overlay from the battle grid or battle map, I guess, map info. Or what is it? Combat state, combat map info. Get pieces on this position. Get position in the exact range. What is this? Grid position. Okay. So in this position, right? Filter by piece, right? Pieces here. We get an array. And we want to grab all the pieces that are not passable. So piece. Oh. Okay. I see. So we need a few things here. This is correct. Piece is going to be a combat piece. We're going to say is passable. So we're grabbing everything that's on this location that is not passable. And we're going to have one that says check passable. By default, it's going to be false. Or by default, it's true. So if we say, hey, if this is what we're checking, then we're going to do this filtering is position passable is true, which is allowed. And basically this will equal to if this is empty or not. And hopefully this will modulate the color. Yes. Not allowed color as something. I'm not sure if this, we'll see. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to mark this. Yeah. Let's see if it comes out well, the overlay. So we come over here. We can move all the way down here. And we're going to end turn. And we're going to move down and see move. Okay, this is not allowed, but this needs to be a different color. So we're going to test that. Luckily, we can test this pretty quickly. Come over here. Move. We got false. Okay. Immediately false. We move into this. This is false. Oh, we're not triggering this. Okay. We gotta trigger that. All right. Let me see if this will work. Yep, there it is. I can't move it because it's got stuff in the range. Otherwise, it's all good. Nice. Yep. Beautiful. Okay. Movement restriction done. Next up. What's the next thing I need to do? Objective check. Right. That's the next thing. So we need victory condition and fail condition. So we have this, we have all the actions. Repair, there's nothing for repair just yet. We're going to implement this. So we got to do repair, like what that means and how to repair, what the interaction means for destroyed places. O2, that's not being handled at all. But before all that, I think we gotta be able to check the objectives. Like, hey, is all the hostile ship gone or not? For this example. And then we gotta do an option in the navigation to go FTL out if I reach this location. So sometimes objective will be like reach the FTL and FTL out and stuff like that. Cool. I wonder how this will work actually if I... Oh, okay. Well, glad to know that, glad to see that it works. Ah. Uh-oh. Yay. Easy. Okay. GG. Game is working. Nice. All right. Whew. Whew. Basic shape is done. Most of the things are working. There's some bugs here. Error messaging here. We're going to fix this real quick. Attempted to get an invalid previously freed object. From the turn queue. I thought we fixed this by doing this. Piece. Well, line 15 is this. It's saying the piece is this. If piece is, well, I mean, this is doing the check here. Combat info. I mean, I guess we could just do it down here. If it's, yeah. Okay. Good. I think we're good here. This is a good place to stop. Well, we've done a lot. We've crashed. We've done some work. I think we're going to call it today. And yeah. So once again, everyone, thanks for watching. Monday, Wednesday, Friday is my streaming schedule now officially. Try not to do more than that. So we'll call it now. All right. Not sure who's online right now. Moes Morriser. Oh, little R session. Hypnotic is online. We haven't gone Fresh Fern in a while, have we? I guess we should go there. Well, thanks for being here. Hypnotic, you're next probably. Not that you need me. But thanks everyone for watching Monday, Wednesday, Friday once again. And I'll see you next time. We'll raid out into Fern's stream. All right, everyone. Toodaloo. Happy game deving. Goodbye. Okay. And then goodbye to YouTube as well, as soon as I confirm this.